Hello everyone, it's been a while. So here I come again with yet another project. It's Battleship this time, which is basically the last project of JavaScript section. Hey, so now I have completed all of these projects in intermediate HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Next is advanced HTML and CSS. I will start it soon. Yeah, yeah. So this was basically the project. The difficulty level is medium, to be honest. For me personally, it wasn't as hard as the task to do this project, but it was still hard for me because it wasn't anything interesting for me. Basically, um, I didn't get any motivations from this, and also I was quite late in my schedule. Like I was planning to complete everything in JavaScript before just before the mid of August, but now it's almost at the end, and I am really planning to, at least I hope to complete everything under Odin before December, so that for the next 3 months in my college I can practice making projects and DSA. Yeah, but let's see. It's just plans, and plans basically never works for me. Yeah, but at least I'm happy that I completed it, and I also um, did this from the extra credit section, implementing drag and drop functionality. Actually, as I said before, I was late, I was bored, I was rushed off. I have cold now, and I was also like getting a good sleep for last 1 week for some reasons, and it was a great experience building this project. This is my second iteration of the project. uh, I have a first iteration which can look ugly, and I was planning to make a video of it yesterday, which was basically like a half-ass project with code that mostly took from ChatGPT and like rushed off code. Yeah, I was planning to do that, but yesterday uh, I went to sleep, and today I thought if I'm doing it anyway, I will be doing it good, so that's why I did it again. uh, One issue that I had was like it was hard for me to come with a good design for this, for the weatherify task. If I like the weather app and to do project, it was like I could I could come with a good design pretty fast, but this I don't know. I think it's because the lack of content that my usual designing sense didn't work. So basically, what I did was um, I I got inspired, or like I took 90. Yeah, I didn't took any of his code or JavaScript. I just took his colors and implemented it in my own way. Uh, yeah, I just took his design, and yeah, thanks to him for that. But as I said, to be frank, I didn't copy any of his code, and I also like watched quarter to half of this video so that I could implement this drag and drop functionality. What just happened right now? um, I don't know, something just happened, but it's working fine right now. I don't know. um, yeah, so this is basically the project. Drag and drop works. Yeah, this doesn't work, this also doesn't work, but this works, and then we can start the game. Yeah, these reds are hits and these whites are misses. Yeah, after anyone wins the game, it's basically just a window alert comes up uh, with the text about who won the game. Yeah, so that's it. uh, yeah, as I said, I'm quite proud of this design, uh, even though I copied from him. Okay, so basically that's it. I also made it um, kinda mobile responsive. Actually, I didn't do anything good. Like as I said, I was lacking, and this project didn't give me any vibe. So I just went with this hard coded values. Yeah, it works, but it's not good. Could I have done it better? Yeah, I could have, but as I said, my time's way off, and I want to complete the next section as soon as possible. Yeah, so basically, this is what I have done. And for the code, my index.js just contains um, the initialization of uh, the game class, which comes from this file. These are my modules. uh, this module contains these main three classes, which needs to be tested um, as the project guided. Like these are the three tests for those: game board, player, and ship. um, yeah, I'm actually proud of these codes because this is the only one that I can understand now. The DOM controller.js, I don't know what the heck is going on. These three I am quite good, quite proud of it, and I think every project needs to be done this way. It's so easy to read this code. Yeah, I don't want to ramble. So basically, that's the main the underlying logic or models, should I say. And this is just DOM controller. I created this so that I won't put everything in this game controller. This just contains like this just contains some random create and appending operations. It's so hard to do this in webpack. Like yeah, whatever. First of all, what I had was like I had individual functions for all of these methods, but it was quite hard for me to keep track of it, and it was hard to maintain. So that's why I went with this class, the ChatGPT code. uh, at first it also gave me like it also threw me some code with classes, so I went with that, and I'm happy that I used it, because yeah, it made it so much easier to do it. Especially this game, I had done it with just plain pure functions, but later it threw me off, so I went with classes again. Basically, this combines the DOM controller and the rest of the modules. Actually, this also contains DOM methods and event listeners, but anyway, yeah, let's forget about it. Actually, I was quite proud of this code as well. Like, see these functions, these were so easy to read and maintain, but yeah, but then like when I was trying to build this extra credit thingy, my mind just like, actually my mind was ultra productive at that time, but at the same time I wasn't a good programmer, but I wrote code too fast. Like you see this nested hell. Like I could have done it so much better with so much less code. I am sure that if I do refactoring, like see this function is like, where does it even end? Goes up to this like 50. How much line of code is that? Let's see. That's like 100 lines of code for a single function, and it's heavily nested as well. It's something that never can be like, it can be edited in new way. And this also contains like inputting plain HTML with inner HTML method design good. Actually, as I said before, I was quite proud of the code that I did at first, but when I was implementing this, I had to forget about it. Like, actually, it's not my fault because it's so hard to change things in Webpack. Like, if I was doing things in PHP or in any other way, I could have done just like make a page for this and a new page for like this, but here we have to like after we like click on the start game, I have to just delete everything and put things like this again. It's so much hard and hard to maintain. Yeah, Webpack doesn't even have bug buttons. It's not Webpack's fault. I'm sorry. It's it's the fault that I'm doing it in JavaScript. Yeah. So basically that's it. Uh, yeah. So that's it. That's about my rambling. Mm, yeah. The code is messy, but you can still go over my GitHub and see the code if you want to. If you want to take inspiration from my messy code. Uh, yeah, so basically that's it. Maybe I will just play the game for. Nah, it takes too much time. Yeah, so that's about it, everyone. Yeah, thank you for watching my video, and let's grind coding project. See you next time.